Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
Charleston.
Peter Bell.
We did just a little bit more stuff. We did kickaways with around the worlds in there. Go a little. I have a foot thing. It's fine. It's not fine, but it's okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, ha, ha. So we got into kickaways here. And then we did this. Then we went around the world. We went single, single, double kick. Now you're back to kickaways if you like, or you could just be done. Either way. Talked a lot about this feeling.
Yeah, we did a lot of this technique talk where you want to continue. And for followers, that is the default. I want to continue turning. So when it's a catch, it actually feels like something.
And just remember, we're not going like this, like here.
No.
We're also not going like here. We're kind of standing like this, and we're both trying to take our hands with us, and we have a little disagreement. I'm like, no, me. You.
And
like,
I also try to
we have a disagreement. That's the feeling. If you look away, you tend to break things. So maybe best when you're new to sort of keep an eye on your partner / the hands, but you do bring them with you. You get that feeling, and that helps you come around. Not this where I push myself around. Again, it doesn't change in relation to me. We get a springy feeling, and then we both
bring it
go.
with you.
Everything goes with you. Watch it one more time. We're going to do it real good. Hey, ha, ha, hey, ha. Into kickaways, we got a boing. Hey, ha. Then we go around, a boing to finish. And hey, and that was it.